Hi everyone, and welcome back to Wellness by Nature. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into an amazing topic that's happening in your body every single moment: enzymes. Now, enzymes might not get as much attention as vitamins or minerals, but they're just as essential for your health. These little powerhouses are responsible for nearly every chemical reaction in your body, from digesting food to providing energy for your muscles. They're like the tiny workers that make everything run smoothly behind the scenes. In this episode, we'll explore what enzymes are, why they're so crucial for health, and how you can support them through your diet and lifestyle. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of just how vital enzymes are and some simple ways to ensure they're working their best. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are enzymes? In simple terms, enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts for biochemical reactions in the body. Imagine them as little helpers that speed up reactions, allowing everything from digestion to cellular repair to happen efficiently. Without enzymes, these processes would be far too slow to keep us alive. Now, enzymes are specific to certain tasks. For example, digestive enzymes are key players in breaking down the food we eat so our bodies can absorb nutrients. There are different types of digestive enzymes, each with its own job. Amylase, for instance, breaks down carbohydrates, while lipase tackles fats, and protease is responsible for breaking down proteins. So next time you eat a meal, remember that these enzymes are hard at work, breaking down your food into usable parts. Enzymes aren't just about digestion though. They're also involved in energy production, detoxification, immune function, and even tissue repair. For example, catalase is an enzyme that helps break down hydrogen peroxide in cells, which is a byproduct of metabolism and can be harmful if it builds up. Without catalase, our cells would be under constant oxidative stress. But here's the interesting part. Enzymes don't just work automatically. They need the right conditions to do their job well. They require optimal pH levels and temperatures to function efficiently, and they also need certain nutrients to be activated. This is where vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins come into play. Think of these nutrients as cofactors that give enzymes the energy to operate. Without them, enzyme activity slows down, which can impact everything from digestion to energy levels. Now, you might be wondering how to support enzyme health. The good news is that diet and lifestyle play a huge role in keeping our enzymes active and efficient. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins helps provide the essential nutrients enzymes need. For example, pineapple and papaya contain natural enzymes, bromelain and papain, that aid digestion. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut also help support digestive enzymes and gut health. Hydration is another big factor. Since enzymes work in water-based environments, staying hydrated ensures that they can function properly. Aim for consistent water intake throughout the day to keep your body's internal processes running smoothly. And finally, avoid overloading your system with too many processed foods or large amounts of sugar. Highly processed foods can put a strain on your digestive enzymes, making it harder for your body to break down and absorb nutrients. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that help enzymes work their best without added stress. So to wrap up, enzymes are the unsung heroes in our bodies, making sure everything from digestion to detoxification happens seamlessly. They need the right nutrients, hydration, and a balanced diet to function optimally. By incorporating enzyme-friendly foods like fruits, veggies, and fermented products into your diet and staying mindful of hydration, you're supporting these crucial proteins in doing their job. Thank you for tuning in to Wellness by Nature. I hope today's episode helped shed light on the important role enzymes play in our health and gave you some practical tips to keep them functioning at their best. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend or family member who's interested in understanding how their body works on a deeper level. Here's to good health, one small step at a time. Until next time, stay well and wise.